explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, let us begin with the chapter number 15th of grammar, and the name of the chapter is prepositions. Right? So, बात करते हैं prepositions के बारे में. What are they? So, prepositions are the words that tell us about the position of the nouns or pronouns. Also, they tell us about the relationship between the noun or pronoun with the other words in the sentence. Right? So, let us begin with the chapter and see what else they are telling us about these prepositions. So, a preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relationship with the rest of the sentence. कि एक preposition एक ऐसा word है जो एक noun या फिर एक pronoun से पहले place किया जाता है ताकि उसकी relationship दिखाई जा सके बाकी words के साथ एक sentence में. Right? Now we have functions of prepositions. अब एक preposition कैसे काम करती है वो जानते हैं. Prepositions perform the following functions. कि prepositions जो हैं वो ये सभी functions perform करते हैं. First, indicating position. Position indicate करते हैं जैसे कि he is at school. Is there water on the moon? Indicating motion. एक motion को दिखाते हैं. The train goes through a tunnel. She jumped into the well. Indicating destination. एक हमारा जो destination होता है उसको दिखाते हैं. She was going to school. The train has arrived at the station. Indicating origin. Just like, take your hands out of your pocket and help him. This letter is from his mother. Right? Indicating time. It is, meeting will start at 3 o'clock. We had lunch before meeting. Indicating purpose. She is cooking to impress her mother. I am saving money for a new car. Indicating means, जहाँ पर हमें मतलब दिखाना हो, जैसे कि I made this car with my own hands. We came here by car. Correct? Now, next thing that we have is kinds of prepositions. अब kinds of prepositions की बात करते हैं. So it is prepositions are of the following kinds. तो prepositions इन सभी kinds की होती हैं. So the first one is simple prepositions. Simple prepositions are made which are used in simple sentences. कि simple prepositions ऐसे words हैं जो कि simple sentences में use किए जाते हैं. जैसे कि she is in the IT park. She is going to Delhi. Other examples of simple prepositions. तो simple prepositions के कुछ और examples हमें यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं. That are at, on, by, out, for, through, from, till, in, to, of, up, off, and with. Right? Next, we have compound prepositions. So, अब बात करते हैं compound prepositions के. These are used when we join two connected nouns, pronouns and phrase. तो ये कुछ ऐसे prepositions हैं जो कि दो nouns को आपस में connect करते हैं preposition और phrase के साथ. Right? Example, we are between two cities. Isha will reach there before she leaves. Other examples of compound prepositions are, तो अब कुछ और examples हैं compound prepositions के. Let's see. So it is about, amidst, before, beside, outside, above, among, behind, between, underneath, across, amongst, below, beyond, within, along, around, beneath, inside, without. Right? Next we have phrase position. So, अब ये phrase position क्या है? There are group of words used with the force of a single preposition. तो यहाँ पर कुछ groups of words हैं जो कि यूज किए जाते हैं force single preposition के force के साथ. जैसे कि according to her, it was not a good company. Students are now in front of the principal. Other examples of phrase prepositions. तो कुछ और examples phrase prepositions के, right? According to, along with, away from, because of, by dint of, by means of, by reason of, by virtue of, for the sake of, in addition to, on behalf of, in case of, in comparison with, in consequence of, in front of, in favor of, in lieu of, in order to, in place of, in regard to, on account of, instead of, owing to, with an eye to. Now, study these examples to understand the usage of some common prepositions. So, यहाँ पर हमें कुछ examples दिए हुए हैं. Common prepositions को use करके जल्दी से उनको समझते हैं. So, it is Jenny is fond of chocolates. Mother is waiting outside the room. Instead of wasting your time, you should work hard. She is standing in front of the mirror. In case of any danger, call me. I am not in favor of such changes. In addition to food, they need money also. You are guilty according to law. Let's move away from the electricity pole. I can do it for the sake of my mother. Right? So that was all about the chapter prepositions. I hope you all are clear with them and their usage also. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.